Hello everyone, my name is Ajit and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will start with text mining in Python. But before that, let's start what is text mining. So text is everywhere. So text can be found in books or even in social media platform like Twitter or even in a news article or even in a Wikipedia. So text can be seen everywhere. So text data is growing faster. So the global text analytics market size is estimated to grow from USD 3.97 billion in 2017 to USD 8.39 billion by 2022, which is at a compound annual growth rate of 17.2%. 18.7 billion text messages are sent every day worldwide. So these figures tell us that text data is growing faster. So what can be done with these texts? So today in this particular video, we will discuss about a very simple text handling in Python. But these are the overall things that we can achieve through text information. We can parse text. We can find and identify, extract or relevant information from text. We can classify the text documents. We can search for relevant text documents. We can do sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and so on. So these are the basic things that we can achieve while performing some textual analytics and mining. So in today's video, we will start with very basic. So let's jump over to Jupyter Notebook. So we will start with very basic in this video. So let's say if we have our text information like this, it's for breaking news and entertainment to sports and politics. Uh, get the full story with all the living commentary, live commentary. So this is the textual information. Now, if you want to know how many characters there are in this text, so we can simply do text length of text. So there are 109 characters. So how many words, if you want to know how many words are there in this text, so what we can do is text dot split by space. This will break our sentences into each tokens. And if we take the length of this, so we can see there are 18 words, 18 tokens in this text, which are which are which are stored in a list. So likewise, if you want to know the characters out of these text, words that have more than 3 letters long. So how you can find that is W or W in. Let's store this in another text. So I have stored this information in another text. W in this if length of W is greater than 3. This will give me all the text information that have length greater than 3. So here we can see greater than 3 and is excluded, 2 is excluded, and so on. Likewise, if you want to know the capitalization, which letter starts with capital letter, how many capitalized words we have, what we can do is W dot is title. So we only have one word that is capital, that starts with capital letter, which is from. And if you want to know words that ends with S, it ends with S. So these two are the words that ends with S. So why I'm doing these is because if in a text, if we in a file, if we have some information And if you want to split that information, if you want to know how many words there are in particular text, if I want to know how many words that starts with letter that is the length of letter that is greater than 3. So these are the very basic things that we can start working with text. So in likewise, if you want to know how many unique words there are in this text, what we can do here is, let's split the text in separate store in separate variable. So initially I will split my text, and then I will take length of text. So we have a set command. So if we do set of text 4, so it does remove b, because b is repeated 2 times. So set gives me the unique value. However, there are two TWTO2, one is capital and another is small. So what we can do is we can firstly make this in a lower case. These are all in lowercase. Now we can do set. So set command will give us the unique value, the unique word in the sentence. So likewise, if I have a text called Kathmandu, and if I want to split that text in let's say the term that starts with AN. So I want to split this on the basis of, let us say, AN. So here we can see this word has been splitted on the basis of AN character, AN word. So it splits that into 2 item in our list. And if you want to merge this back to the original text, what we can do is we can AN dot join bracket text 6. This will merge my text. So if you want to know how many characters there are in this text, so we can simply uh, convert this into list, or we can even use loop, loop for wn text 5. Okay, now if you want to clean this text, so here in text 8 we have a space in the start and in the end of this sentence. If you want to clean the, if you want to remove this space, we can do is 9 equals, we can use text 8 dot stripe. So what stripe does is it converts, it excludes the initial space, and at the end it converts a space into, it removes this space. So if you want to change this text, let's say if you want to change it to with something else, so let's split it first. Text 9 dot split store thing. Now if I want to find some word, let's say if I want to find So O is in. So O is in 10th position. You can see here, this is my 10th position. This is O. Now, if I want to replace this with something else, dot replace O with capital O. So this replaces all the O word with capital O. So likewise, we can do lots of thing in while doing text mining. So let's say if I want to find something that starts with hash word. So in this text I have hash word. So I want to find a text that starts with hash word. So let's split this text first. Split, and then look for W in text if W dot starts with, then we can get hash. So here we have one text information that starts with hash. So the hash WUNSG. Likewise, if you want to see the callouts, say at the rate, so we only have one, that is at the rate. Likewise, just to for this sentence to split. Now here this for this text, if I do starts with at the rate, it gives me all the words that starts with at the rate. So here we have this one, and this one, three. But I don't need this third one, at the rate. I only need those words that have some alphabet after at the rate. So in such case, what we do is we use a regular expression. So in text 8, we will do if re dot search bracket. So to start with at the rate, and then it should be capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and this plus means one or more times. So after the at the rate, if we have something that starts with A to Z or small a to Z or 0 to 9, one to more times, we need to print that. So here we can see that it starts with anything that it's alphabet, that starts with alphabet or a small case of alphabet or 0 to 9 is being printed here. So that's it for today's video. So it's very basic, and in the upcoming video I will start with regular expression, and then we will jump to NLP, and at the end we will do topic modeling, sentiment analysis. So lots of things will start. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.